how to use motion tracking in CapCut on PC. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now here is how we are going to get this done, everybody. It's actually going to be a very simple tutorial for us today. Now first things first, I'm just going to go ahead and click the video itself, and then I'm going to go ahead and resize this, and say for example we're going to go ahead and put a value of about 180, just like so. Don't worry, we can go ahead and make some few changes later on. The next thing that we are going to do is add a text. Now the reason why we are adding a text here is because we want to somehow put a marker or a guide. So we're going to go ahead and put here, say for example O, and then we're going to go ahead and place this in the middle. So you can click this one right here and click this, and it should align at the center. Now the next thing that we are going to do is basically add keyframes. So we're going to go ahead and click this one right here, go ahead and click shift, click this one, and then we're going to go ahead and repeat the same process. So this is actually going to make things a lot easier for us. And yep, I'm just going to go ahead and do this one. Basically I'm adding keyframes every 10 frames. Alright, so there you go. We have already added it. Now this time we can go ahead and proceed. So just go ahead and click the video itself, and then go ahead and adjust this one. Make sure to put the guy's head in the middle or in that circle as our guide. So that's what we are doing right now. We can just go ahead and move this one. And basically we are going to do the same process until we are done with the entire video. Okay, there you go. So seems like we are already done. Now let's go ahead and hide this one, and let's go ahead and play it. So yep, that is already looking good, everybody. It's far from what was seen earlier. And that is how you are going to use motion tracking in CapCut on PC.